my God, I just got hit in the head with a stick. Good morning, everyone. I am in a beautiful location with 𝗥𝗔𝗗𝗧𝗟. You'll see him in a bit, or you can see him now.
Hey everyone.
I am here with 𝗥𝗔𝗗𝗧𝗟. It is his permission. We are wearing our poppies because it's almost November 11th, Remembrance Day. Very appropriate. We are at a rather old Legion in an undisclosed location. We are going to start digging, and I am pretty sure that we will come up with a few good finds. So here we go. All right, this is not what I'm looking for, but nonetheless, check it out. This was about 8 inches deep. It's a license plate from 1972, and it's all numbers. This was just before they went over to the letter number mix. So this is a pretty good sign. Right on, Ontario, 1972. Right on, right on.
I'm not sure. I'm not sure if I'm seeing that. I think there's some kind of... So we've definitely got some kind of pin here. It's got the pin on the back still. I guess they can't see that from there, but it's got some weight. We'll have to find out what that is.
Oh.
Come on in.
Huh? Come
on in. What do you think?
Oh my God. May I show the folks?
Sure.
Check this out. This is his first hole. It's we believe a pin from someone's uniform. I'll come in really close. This is really, really a sweet find. Really sweet find. That is really, really cool. Definitely a pin from someone's uniform.
For sure.
And we are returning all military artifacts that we find back to the Legion. So we will be documenting what we find, pictures and video. I hope you can see this, but right there. Nice. Very coppery penny. Came in really, really nice. 25. Let's see what it is. 1983. Seriously? Oh my God. Yeah. Well, at least it's not cold out. It's about 4 degrees and it's windy. I'm hoping that the wind thing on my microphone is working. 𝗥𝗔𝗗𝗧𝗟 has 2 nice pins. He's got I think he got a 𝗦𝗛𝗢𝗢𝗡𝗥 and some mixed pennies. Me? Well, I got that license plate. Right on for the license plate. Let's continue. All right. I have I believe it's a large copper. I'm not sure what this is. Wow, but it was ringing up like 26. I'm not really sure what this is, but I'm gonna take a couple pictures of it with my phone, and then we'll see it together. I don't know what this is. All right, here goes. I cannot believe this. Oh, maybe it's a button. I think it's a button. What is it? Oh, forget it. Oh my goodness, I think it's a washer. Well, that's what it turned out to be. Yeah, just my luck. What else should I expect? Oh, I tell you. A washer is a thin plate, typically disc-shaped, with a hole, typically in the middle, that is normally used to distribute the load of a threaded fastener, such as a bolt or a nut. So now you know. Golf ball surface find, top flight number 4. In the pouch. Right on, right on.